Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I uploaded something, but I decided to get back into it and try to upload it more often now. Just picked up a new project. It's a 2017 and a half Nissan Altima SR Midnight Edition. Bought it at the IAA auto auction. Came in as well, it was listed as an engine electrical damage. It's a bit dirty all around, so it wasn't starting, wasn't running. Came with a key. Finally a car that hasn't been smoked in. A few other cars I bought all smoked in and kinda nasty. Yeah, so it's nice black interior, cloth seats, not leather, but it's okay. Got the SR package with the pedal shifters. Has 42,000 miles on it. Came in kinda, shifter was kinda open. They were messing with this. So I already did a little digging on it and tried to figure out what was going on with it. So let's get outside underneath the car and I will show you. Right there, if you could see, there's a transmission oil pan. It's crushed a bit. Few of the bolts from the solenoid pack are sticking out. There's a little damage of the subframe, but it's not bad, and not bad, so won't even do anything to it. But yeah, there's the oil pan. There's a little bit more a little dings and dents underneath there. The exhaust muffler has a few dents on it. Then the floorboard on the back has a little dent on it somewhere there. I think right in there. It's gonna be hard to see, but yeah, somewhere there. A little plastic strip like this is loose, but it's missing just a clip. Here's the midnight package. Comes with the black wheels, black spoiler, floor mats all around. So yeah, and now I'll show you what's going on. Gonna explain what's going on with it. So with the damage on the oil pan and the shifter is right here, the linkage, so it's stuck in the drive and drive sport. The only gears you could do is drive sport right there. So there's the drive sport, and if you when I press it really hard, I get neutral. So once that, sorry, I need two hands for this, so I guess you got to do my start button. Oh, sorry. There you go. Start it right up. Yeah, so it's kind of working a little weird. Hooked up the computer to it, and it comes out that the solenoid is stuck and something else is stuck. So we'll have to get underneath, pick it up, take up the oil pan, and see what's going on there. Alright, so we're under the car. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the oil pan, the training oil pan, and we'll see what's going on inside there. Alright, so we got the oil pan off. There's just damaged filter from what I see in here, and that's about it. But the gear selector only moves into 2 positions, so I'm gonna remove the filter and might possibly remove the solenoid pack. Let's go with the filter right now, and then see what happens next. Put those back in there just in case. So what we got there? So there's something internally that's either stuck or something. Alright, which of the bolts hold the solenoid, which ones don't? Oops. That looks like it. So I guess I'll be removing the ones with the which are marked again. Okay. See? Oh, no, that's not it. Actually, no, this one was here. Okay, so we'll just remove the ones that have a 7 on them. They look like they might be the ones for the whole assembly. Okay, so just go by and see where the 7s. Here's another one. I think that we have movement. Might be still missing something. Oops. Oh, so you got that to do the gear, remove the gear selector. Okay, let's see. That might be something smaller. something bigger. Okay. Let's go look at this together. It's here's the it's hard to see. Here's the linkage for the shifter. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. There's one position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position, which is park. So this works. Our issue was, oh, let's turn on the ignition. Let's turn on the ignition and see where we at. Oh, we're in park. There it is. There's park. There's reverse, neutral, drive sport. So we're in park. Which means, oh, turn off the ignition. Alright. So that means our issue is the solenoid on the oil pack, on the pack here. So it moves kinda. It looks like there's a, it's all a little oval shaped, so one of the bolts moved it a little bit. It's okay, we'll see here in a minute what's going on. There's a couple shorter ones going here, a little one in there next to the so. Okay, so it's in here. Ah, so there's the issue. Okay, so this seems like this right here. The bolt went a little bit to the side when I got hit, and it must have pressed in the opening inside. It doesn't let it go all the way through. Let me see if I can pull it through. Yeah, it keeps on hitting the wall right there. Whenever I turn it, it still hits the wall. So I twisted this a little bit, and that's it, and that's the damage. Other than this, let's go a little over, see what else is here. Okay, so other than that, the bumper has a little bit of damage here, a little crack there, a little crack there, and here and there. So mostly it's just the outside, it's just the bumper that's damaged, but it's usable. Underneath, it ripped off, I think it ripped off the whole shield, if it ever was there. Yeah, it was. There's a broken piece here, broken piece there, attaches here, so I'll just have to get a new shield for here. If there's one that goes underneath the whole engine bay, I'll grab one as well. So yeah, looks like we got blast on this car, and that doesn't always happen like this with that engine damage or electrical. You never know what you get, and sometimes you risk it, you get something like this, which you need just a new coil pack for the tranny. Sometimes you need the whole tranny or engine. Like on this one, it said engine and electrical damage, but it came out to be just a coil pack, or not the coil pack, though. Well, solenoid. I'm sorry, the solenoid pack for the tranny. So yeah, we risked it. We got blessed. So I'll go ahead and order a new pack, the pieces, and we'll get it done in here in a few days.